Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella and I upload videos every single Sunday. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell as well so you never miss out on any new videos. But with all that being said, let's jump into today's video. I have something really exciting to share with you guys. Today we are going to be opening up the ERIN CONDREN Winter Seasonal Surprise Box for 2019. And you guys, I usually do these every single season, as you know, but I'm really excited to open this one up. It has the most exclusive items that a seasonal surprise box has ever had before. And make sure to stay till the end of this video because I may or may not be giving one of these away. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. It has a beautiful almost paisley print on the outside. It's not quite paisley, and it's a very dark teal color. And then when you open it up, it has some beautiful rose gold foiling on the inside, and it says, "Good things are coming, keep believing." And a very pretty pink tissue paper. And then right on top, we have a note from ERIN CONDREN per usual. And then on the back of this note, it has everything that is inside this box. We're just gonna set this aside for now. Okay, so the very first thing that I see in this box is a petite journal. And it is, let's see, it's dot grid paper. So it's 80 pages of dot grid paper, which is going to be really helpful when it comes to making any kind of charts or graphs, or maybe I want to do some dot grid journaling or bullet journaling as they call it. And this is a really pretty pink, almost like salmon-y colored shade, which I really like. This is one of the many exclusive items in this box, so you will not be able to get it unless you got the winter seasonal surprise box. The next thing that we have here on top is the Weekly Intentions and Goals Petite Planner. And this looks like it has the same exact paisley almost print that is on the outside of the box, except it is extremely colorful, which is very fun. And on the back it says, "Transform dreams into reality by defining clear intentions for living your best life." I can agree with that. This powerful petite planner is designed to guide you week by week in setting your intentions and goals so you can successfully plan, achieve, and progress. So I really like the idea of this. We're gonna go ahead and open it up real quick on camera. So this is the one and only sneak peek item in this box. So fortunately, if you are unable to get the seasonal surprise box, you will be able to pick up this petite planner soon or in the near future. So it has a very pretty gold foiling on the outside. When you open it up, it's got the print on the inside of the cover that's beautiful. And it looks like it just has an explanation of how to use this petite planner. It talks through what is an intention, what's a goal, how to be open to change, has some space for reflecting. Let's see. There's some brainstorming pages, learning to let go of things, how to check in. It has some space to write down different goal focuses, different intention focuses, and then there's monthly wrap-ups, weekly check-ins. This is a really good planner, you guys. I like that it has both intentions and goals because intentions and goals can be two different things, but they can both be really, really good things to try to work towards. And I probably set a lot more intentions than I do goals, to be honest. Has a nice quote here in the back. "Every step you take brings you closer to your dreams." And then it has a little pocket here in the back and then a page of stickers as well. And you guys know I love these extra stickers here in the back. I really like this. This is a really nice petite planner and I'm excited to see it come out on the website. If it is out on the website already, I'll make sure to link it down below and I'll make sure to leave links to the ERIN CONDREN website all down below as well. Also, this is probably a good time to mention, if you are new to ERIN CONDREN and you've never purchased anything from their website before and you are interested in getting anything for 2020 as the new year approaches, make sure to sign up with my link. It's just haylesantella.com/ERIN CONDREN. And when you sign up with that link, you will get $10 off your very first order and then I will be getting a $10 credit as well. So that's just a little perk for you if you've never purchased anything from ERIN CONDREN. You can go ahead and just get $10 right off the top of your first order. So that's just a little tidbit for you guys if you're new to ERIN CONDREN and you're looking for some items for 2020. Let's continue on with the box. The next thing that I have up top here, it looks like I just have these two greeting cards. One says, "Always in my heart," The other one just says thank you. And I love these special little greeting cards. I love to send cards to my family and friends, just letting them know that I'm thinking about them. And a personalized note is always really special to get in the mail, so I love to get these. And like I said, these are exclusive. The only thing in this box that was a sneak peek was the intentions and goal planner. Next up, we have 2 pages of stickers, you guys. I've mentioned this before and I will always mention it again. I love the exclusive stickers that come in the seasonal surprise box. We've got a few that have snowflakes and gold stars on here that say ring in the new year. And then we have this really fun one that just has to-dos and bullet lists and little date markers, important stickers, just fun, useful stickers for when you're in your planner. So, like I said, you guys, I always love these. The next thing that we have in here, this looks exciting. We have a 2020 petite planner on the go folio, and it says 2020 on it. That's why I like it. So this is a really pretty planner folio. It is black and then has gold foiling on it. It's very New Year's-y in my opinion. If you guys don't know, the petite folios do carry up to 4 petite planners, and you could probably fit 1 or 2 in there if you really wanted to. And they've also come out with a little organizer as well that you can slide in here to help hold a couple of accessories. So I really liked the petite planning system. It's definitely useful for those of you that aren't interested in carrying around a big planner all the time. This is a great way to carry around a couple small ones. The next thing that I see in my seasonal surprise box is this ballpoint pen, and it is super sparkly. It has glitter all over it. It's so cute. So it just says Sparkle Ballpoint Pen, and again, you guys, this is an exclusive item to the seasonal surprise box. You aren't going to be able to get it on their website, and this is just super fun. I like this. All right, the very last thing that is in the seasonal surprise box looks like an exclusive snap-on interchangeable cover, and it has that paisley looking print, but this time it is in black and gold foiling. So this is really cute, and again would be perfect for the new year. And if you're one that likes to use the petite planner and your regular life planner at the same time, these would pair really well together and would look adorable on your desk as a little coupling of planners. All right, so that's everything that is in the winter ERIN CONDREN 2019 seasonal surprise box. I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see what was all inside. Like I said, the only item that was a sneak peek is the weekly intention and goal planner, so make sure to keep an eye out for this guy. The other items are exclusive to this box, and you're not going to be able to get them unless you guys participate in my giveaway. I am going to be giving away a unopened ERIN CONDREN winter seasonal surprise box. So I have 2 here with me. I have one that I have not opened at all. With us going into December today, I really want to celebrate the holiday spirit and go ahead and give this away to one of my subscribers. So in order to win the seasonal surprise box, make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. Comment down below why you would like to receive this seasonal surprise box, and then also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That's all you need to do. I'll make sure to leave any details down below so you guys know when this giveaway is going to be ending, and then I'll also include details on how I'll be announcing the winner in the description box below. So if you guys are interested in winning the ERIN CONDREN winter seasonal surprise box, make sure to read the description box below so you know how you can enter to win. And yeah, I'm really excited to give this to one of you guys. I know you guys like giveaways, and I haven't done one in a while, so I thought this would be a great one considering there are so many exclusive items in here. Alright, you guys, I think that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed getting to see what was in the seasonal surprise box, and I hope you guys are excited about the giveaway. If you would like more giveaways in the future, make sure to let me know. I'm more than happy to do them for you guys. And like I said, if you're new here, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. And other than that, I will see you guys in next Sunday's video. Bye!